Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall learn an interesting thing in mathematics, that is multiplication of variables. Could you understand? You know multiplication? 2 3 the how many?
2, 3, the 6.
2 3 the 6. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. But can you say 2 into 2 is equal to how many?
4.
Yes, 4. And in other words, अन्य प्रकार कौन प्रकाश करिपारियो 2 into 2 you can write it 2 square, right? 2 into 2 means 2 square. Similarly 3 into 3 means how many?
3 square.
3 square, right? Thank you. 7 into 7 is equal to how many?
7 square.
7 square.
7 into 7 into 7 into.
Wait, just we shall do it. 7 square. तामने जितेटा 7 गुणुछ तार पावरटा सेति कर. This is the power of 7. This is 2 is the power of 7. That means we will multiply 2 sevens, right? Could understand? So again 7 into 7 into 7 is equal how many? 7 cube. That is cube. CUB cube. Ghana. Right? Just 1 minute. 2 into 2 is equal to how many? 2 square. Square, the spelling of square is equal to square. SQUAR square. Its Oriya meaning is varga. Varga. Right? You understand? Similarly, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 to the power how many?
4.
4. Power is 4. Right, thank you. This is called power.
The spelling?
Power POWER power, that is घात. 5 ର 4 घात. In Oriya we say like this, 5 ର 4 घात. Right? 4 to the power 4. 5 to the power of, that is 4 is the power. Okay. Could understand? Next, these were the numbers. Number thila, and they were constant. Their value was constant. But sometimes we use variables. आमे केते चल राशि गुड़ाक व्यवहार करछे से गुड़ाक कौन होची केतला किन कहि दोन मन कर x. Suppose x लिखौछे तो x value actually we don't know value, and x has no exact value. Its value is factual varying, right? माने केतला ता value बदल जीव, right? So here is a question for you. 2 into 2 is equal to how many? Tell me in power. Express it in 2 square, right? 3 into 3 is equal to how many?
3 square.
3 square, right? Okay. A into A is equal to, tell me how many?
A square.
Yes, A square, right? A into A into A is equal to how many?
A cube.
A cube. Okay. Similarly, A into B is equal to how many? Tell me. We can't say. We can't say. So it is AB. Look at the blackboard. What is it? AB. B into C is equal to how many?
BC.
BC, right. Could you understand? Similarly, X into Y is equal to how many?
XY.
XY, right. Could you understand? But X into X is equal to how many? Tell me.
X square.
X square. y into y is equal to
Y square.
y square, right? Now let's move. Here is a formula. Here are some basic formulas. A plus, that means a square means what? Tell me.
A into A.
A into A, right? Right? B cube means what?
B into B.
B into B into B. Right. Thank you. That's like a good boy. So here is a equation A plus B whole square is equal to how many? Tell me. A plus B is equal to
AB square.
No. A square means what? A into A. Similarly, A plus B whole square means A plus B into A plus B, right? Did A plus B ର ଗୁଣନ square means ଦିଟା A plus B ର ଗୁଣନ. Similarly, A plus B whole cube is equal to how many? Tell me. A plus B into A plus, tell A plus B into A plus B, that is 3A plus B से multiple, right? Next one is, for example, here is another A plus B to the power 4.
A plus B into A.
How many multiples of 4 multiples of A plus B? 4 multiplication of A plus B, right? A plus B into A plus B into A plus B into A plus B, right? So here is A plus B whole square means what? A plus B into A plus B, right? बुझा पड़ा. तापर आम वी विल सिंप्लीफाई इट, ताको सरल करवा. सिंप्लीफाई SMPLIFY, सिंप्लीफाई मीन्स सरल करदे. लेट्स डू इट. ओके, चलो भाई. हाँ, तो आम जानू 24 इंटू 58 मीन्स आम कौन कर फास्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई 24 by 8 देन by 5. प्रथम 8 गुण दूचे तापर 5 गुणुचे. सिमिलरली हियर वी विल डू इट. A plus B होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू A plus B into A plus B, राइट? दैट मीन्स प्रथम आपको A रे गुणिया तापर B रे गुण देवा प्लस B रे, राइट? तो A plus B into A, right? A चिन्ह of the bracket means multiplication, right? Plus B into A plus B है. प्रथम A रे गुणिले A plus B को, right? Then A plus B को B रे we multiplied. Okay, or you can write like this: A into A plus B, right? Plus B into A plus B, right?
The plus into the.
Plus, this is plus because this is plus. First we will multiply by A, then by plus B. Could understand? A into A means what?
A into A.
Means what? A square, right? Plus A into B is equal to how many?
AB.
AB, right? Plus B AB is equal to how many?
B.
AB. BA AB is the same thing, right? Then B into B is equal to how many?
B into B.
Yeah.
B square.
B square. Could understand? How many ABs are here? 1 and 2. How many? 2 ABs. So we will write that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Could you understand? Here a plus b, right? Square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Look at the blackboard. बुझिपारे ना इन देती बोले केतरा देछि ताइरे एक देछि तो ए रो गोटे स्क्वायर हे जिवो बी रो गोटे स्क्वायर हे जिवो तापर 2ab से दीटा दी थर गुणा हे जिवो राइट आमे देखिवा प्लस इंटू प्लस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी कैंट यू से प्लस राइट plus into minus is equal to how many? Can't you say? You don't know. Minus. Right? Minus into plus is equal to how many?
Into.
No, minus. Minus into minus is equal to how many? Plus. Here both these both are same, so answer is plus. Here both are same, so answer is plus. Here both are different, so answer is minus. Here both are different, so answer is minus. जदि दीटा को समान अच्छे प्लस आसुवा अलग अलग गले माइनस आसे अगेन प्लस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी टेल मी
Plus into minus.
different minus right minus into minus is equal to how many
Plus.
plus into plus is equal to how many
Plus.
plus yes and minus into plus is equal to how many
Minus.
minus could you understand okay now let's move here is a point another we came to know that a plus b whole square means what a square plus 8 square this one's square plus 2ab right could you understand and how we derive it you know kemiti ame anile we simplified it first we simplified this one and came to the conclusion that this is the result of a plus b whole square right a square plus b square plus 2ab is the result of a plus b whole square right now let's see a what is the value of a minus b whole square this is a plus b whole square we will do a minus b whole square right okay the a minus b whole square means what a minus b into a minus b right is equal to first we will multiply it by a into a minus b right here minus b into a minus b right तो ये आम देखा ए आगे कि जोटे कि ना चिन्ह माने ये प्लस अच्छी राइट ये कि ना प्लस अच्छे ये माइनस अच्छी तो ये प्लस है प्लस इंटू प्लस इज हाउ मेनी
Plus into plus.
इज प्लस वी नीड नॉट मेंशन सो ए इंटू ए इज ए स्क्वायर राइट ये कौन है प्लस ये माइनस है व्हाट विल कम
Minus.
माइनस a into b is equal to how many
Into b.
a b right then this is minus here this is plus minus into plus is equal to how many minus into plus
Minus.
minus b into a is equal to how many
B.
a b right right ये दिस इज माइनस माइनस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी
Plus.
प्लस b इंटू b इज इक्वल
C into b. B square.
टू b स्क्वायर राइट सो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर केतुटा माइनस ए बी अच्छी हाउ मेनी माइनस ए बी सी
2.
1 or 2
2.
minus 2 AB, right? That means 2 minus ABC. How many minus ABC? 2 minus ABC. Could you understand? Now let's study. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. You know. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Mark the difference. Mark the difference. Here a plus, so comes plus 2AB. Here a minus, so comes minus 2AB. Could you understand? And other things are same. A square plus B square. Only difference is here A plus B, so it is plus 2AB. Here A minus B, so it is minus 2AB. Could you understand? Now tell me. A plus B is equal to A plus B whole square is equal to what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? Next one is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? Could you understand? That means A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square, right? Then A square plus B square is equal to how many? Tell.
8.
এইটা ଯାଇକି ସେଠି ମାଇନସ୍ ହେଇଯିବନି କ'ଣ? A plus B whole square minus 2AB, right? Could you understand? 2AB is equal to A plus is equal to A plus B whole square, right? Minus A square plus B square, right? Could you understand? Next one is A minus B whole square means what? Tell. A square plus B square minus 2AB, right? That means A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to A minus B whole square. That means A square plus B square is equal to A minus B whole square. It will go there. Plus 2AB, it will become plus 2. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. Similarly, here 2AB minus 2AB is equal to A minus B whole square, yes, minus A square plus B square, right? Could you understand? Now next here is the another A square minus B square is equal to A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, right? Okay. Another sum. A plus B plus C square is equal to how many? Tell. First A square, then B square, then C square, right? Plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA 2AC. Okay. Could you understand? So here look at the book. a plus b plus c whole square a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, or we will next another number is a cube, that is a cube, a plus b whole cube means what? A plus b. We will decide these things in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.